Hey everyone, so I just got the Fluid Master from Prime, and I'll go ahead and put the link below so you can go ahead and get it. It was under $10. I don't know what it's going to do when you click on it, but it's amazing. And this is to replace a leaky one that I've got now. So go ahead and open it up, and I'll do a quick video on how to go ahead and replace it. So first thing is, make sure you got all the parts. And here's the instructions. You can throw those out. Who needs that when you got YouTube? And here's the parts that you need. Comes with a 5-year warranty. We should be good to go. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. So this is going in my half bath, and first thing you want to do is clear out the area. So especially anything valuable. I got a Ming vase here from the Ming Dynasty. Got to get rid of this so we don't get this broke. Oh, too late for that. Okay. So then the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and shut down that valve. You know, so you want to make sure that valve is shut. It should empty out without refilling. I'm going to hold it down so all the water goes. Okay, and it gets most of it. Now once the water's down, it's going to make it easier to work with. And really, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the base of this Fluid Master in place. So I'm not going to have to disconnect it from here. I'm going to keep this intact. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and use the moving part and replace that, because everything else is working fine. Now usually I like to replace the whole thing, but in this case here, it's a simple fix. And the only thing that's leaking is that my valve stopped stopping the water from coming in once it reached the top, and it would just continually run. So let me show you how to do that. So see this piece here? This piece comes up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull this off and discard this base, because like I said, this is already fine. I don't want to have to disconnect that. So first thing, let's extend this all the way out as far as we could by unscrewing it. Okay. So you're going to unscrew it all the way, and this is how you adjust the height to your particular toilet bowl. And now I'm going to go ahead and lift this sleeve up. Takes a little bit of doing. Okay. Once you get that up, and this should pull right out. And this part here we're not going to use. I'm going to use the existing one on there. Now in order for me to go ahead and get this over that one, I'm going to have to go ahead and reach in there and pull up. So what I did is I went ahead and pulled up that sleeve. I want to go ahead and disconnect the hoses from here. Okay, so now this here is standalone, and I can go ahead and spin this out and then just pull it off the existing one. Okay, so that's off now. Now we see we've got the old one, exactly like the new one. You don't want to get them mixed up, so I'm going to put this on the floor, and in the same way it was pulled out, I'm going to go ahead and push it in. Okay, and then we want to get that as far as it goes, and then get that sleeve that we pulled up back down again. Okay, now the sleeve is back down and it locks it in place. And this is about the same height as what the other one is, and that's it. You're absolutely 100% done here. So we'll change out the hose. Just like that. And then get this hose. You don't want it to crimp, so be careful not to crimp the hose. What I say is that you definitely want to go ahead and replace this, because this will give you a brand new seal over the evacuation hole there. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Pull it off there. I'm going to use 2 hands for this, and I'll show you. This is the old. Okay. And now we'll go ahead and get this. I don't want you guys getting skeeved out, but what you see down there, this is an outdoor bathroom, so it's collecting a lot of dust. It's not that other stuff, if you know what I mean. The inside of the tank has clean water. It's the bowl that's got the dirty water. So go ahead and get that clip on there. Clips right on, and you'll hear it lock in. You heard that? And then you get this clip back around the lever. Want some slack in there, and then when you pull this up, once the water's in there, the weight will bring it down. Well, let's go ahead and now fill up the bowl. We're going to put that valve on, okay, and then we're going to go ahead and test it out. Let it stop leaking. Okay, now we'll go ahead and test it out. And we're good to go. The flap goes down again because it fills with water, and the weight brings it back down, and then the bowl will continue to fill. So hope that helps, and you should be able to do this in a no time flat. See you in the next one. Please feel free to comment and subscribe.